How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will see some of the techniques by which you can improve your internet connection. The first one is changing the DNS. So for that, what you have to do is press the Windows and R button on your keyboard, which will open this one tab. Hereby, you have to search for ncpa.cpl. On this network connection, you have to select on Wi-Fi, right-click on it and go to its properties. Once that is done, you will see this page. Under this, you have to select the fourth option, which is Internet Protocol version 4. Tap on it and then the properties section will open. For that, you have to open the properties section. Scroll down and under use the following DNS server address, you have to use as Cloud DNS or Google DNS. Currently, I am using the Google DNS, or you can also use Cloud DNS as 1.1.1.1. Once that is done, tap on OK. Now you have to open the configure section. This will open this new page. Hereby you have to select on advanced, and here are different options or properties that you can change. First of all, you have to search for this option called as Fat Channel Intolerant. Make sure that its value is disabled. Now the next option is preferred band. You have to make sure that you select on 5G band if it is available. Similarly, on the other option is roaming aggressiveness. You can change it to the lowest, as lower the aggressiveness, higher the internet strength is. So you can also make other changes such as 5G band or wireless mode must be on auto option. Similarly, 2.4G also should be made on auto. You can make all these changes and then also check your internet connection and connect it to 5G. And you will notice that your internet connection is speed up. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.